sunset for you folks. Spicy and dicey. Almost a 360. Got the rods loaded up.
In 7.3 miles, bring out to State Road 80 westward bound.
But we're basically on the Everglades. Whoa there, Ricky Bobby. He's saying what's good. What's up? Let's go or walk on some back trails in the Everglades. Local spot for some peacock bass. Gotta wade through like 1 feet of water all the way to the spot. Got one right now. She's sending it. It's in my backpack. Yeah. Okay.
Water feels really good though.
Water
feels like you're walking through a spring a little bit.
It's just for big ass skaters. And snakes. That's literally a peacock bass right there. That little one.
That's good.
What's that? What's that?
I don't know. A gator maybe?
You're really out here.
We're gonna go this way?
This way.
Yeah.
To the woods.
There's a shortcut. If there's like a shortcut through here. Okay, I mean like if we go through there you're gonna be like deep in water.
Okay.
Is it a little steep that way or something?
Yeah, I guess so. She said it's a shortcut. I'm gonna believe the local.
Well, it's gonna take us right back up. It's just,
Yeah, up here is
we're not gonna drown in the water.
a little bit higher ground. Better to be shallow. I don't want to be the one in the back. The one in the back always gets eaten. Huh.
What, you about to grab it?
That's it's one of those catfish.
Let's see. Watch me get fucking bars.
He did the dash. Ooh, little crisscross applesauce. We're out here. We probably walked already. Probably a mile. Out here through the water on the limestone. We got high waters right now. Seen a couple of gators already. Not too worried, hopefully. Ew. We have made it.
Yeah, look how big that gator is.
Oh, that's definitely a gator. No, that's a gator. There's another gator.
I was about to say, yo, there's a big ass peacock right there. Oh my god. Yo, that's you. You put us on. You gotta get.
Yeah, throw on it.
No, I go down here because my spot's over here. But
Here, hold this shit, man.
I'm gonna get that.
there's actually a right
Oh my god.
I definitely got kids on. That's crazy.
Oh, this is mental. Here's a.
Gotta catch a fish on the phone.
trying to talk on the phone.
That's wild. You gotta get it? Yep.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Oh, big one to say.
Awesome.
Oh, I'm on that rock. Oh, they just picked it off the
I
rock.
was about to say.
What?
Oh yeah, off the rock. I was stuck on the rock and he plucked it off for me.
No way, dude. That's insane.
That was sick.
I'm shook.
I'm shook. You miss one? What? Is it bad to fish the same spot for a long time here with the Gators? Ooh.
Dude, that's so fucking sick.
He went for it. He went for it. He just misses. I'll take that any day. Take that any day. Dude, they're fat in here. Yeah, I would make that hike any day. Woo! Nate.
That's.
Get your camera out. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna get a big one. Bye bye. This is wild. Little bank action. Yeah, dude, snorkeling this would be absolutely crazy. I'll just get right here. You gotta have the most. Oh, down the bank. Love these fish, bro. To me, peacock bass fishing is some of the most exciting fishing. The most exciting fishing, because they just like hit on instinct. It's like their instinct to be aggressive. Alright, they're about to be pissed. Ooh. Let's see this guy on the bank. Woohoo! Number 3. This is crazy. Dude, even dude, look how deep it is. A gator could just scale straight up the face of this. Oh yeah, one-handed. Oh, under the rocks. Beautiful fish. These things are so gorgeous. No matter what size. You go down south, Oh, pulled him. I like that annoying rig.
What's it called? I'm with the fly rod. He's like just sitting there like bouncing it and then like just ripping it out of its mouth. You lucky bitch. Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh yeah.
He's a fatty. That is a fatty.
Oh.
Good work, big dog. That's like so fun.
Oh
You just got home?
my god, no.
How did you just not?
Hey baby.
Pure love right there.
Damn, dude. Sheesh. Oh. Whew. Beauty. Oh, he was stuck.
That's fat.
Whew. Is this thing that dumb? Is that the same one? I'm tripping. And the mama bear? That jig is. They like that, baby. Dude, you know I feel would slay them? Like a bass jig. Like. Whew. Don't show it to the gators. Whew. That's the daddy. Got them both.
How'd you come around this spot?
Yeah, how'd you find a place like this? Walking through the woods looking for gators?
Like snakes, like the big thing out here in Everglades is snakes.
Wait, what do you do with the snakes? Eat them?
No, you get money for them.
No way.
You catch them and you get, depending on the length of the snake.
Python?
Yeah.
Python?
It's kind of crazy.
Yo, this is. Y'all don't need a zoo down south.
The Amazon.
Yeah. I mean, now I'm prepped for the Amazon. That was fucking sick. The most local, most legendary spot I've ever been.
Like, that's crazy.
Woo! That shit was crazy.
That was crazy.
That was wild. Did not die. Mission successful.